Welcome back again, welcome to Kneki's World. Yes, we are back here at iRoyale Aesthetic. We're back here to try and put hair on my head. If that's ever gonna happen, we will never know until we know. Until then, enjoy the video. Back for the second PRP and laser therapy. Same legend, different treatment. Yes, people, and on this day, I was very exhausted. So just let me be. Let's get through this video. Not too much action, not too much drama. This is just a part of my journey. Let's go.
Take deep breath.
Deep breath is what I've been taking since day one, hoping that the hair will come back to my head. This is supposed to be where all the magic happens. They put my blood into this machine and boom, out comes the plasma. Do I believe it? Not entirely. But that's not up to me.
And then it just shake, right?
Yeah.
It's like a little bit good news because
You're also planning now? Don't worry.
it's booked, Papa, it's booked.
Yeah, I saw.
We are back again, boys. And imagine, I just saw someone outside. He has a full head of hair. And then I said, why is he here? Because his hair is normal, what's his problem? And they said, no, he finished his transplant, he's got hair. So, I mean, it's got a good chance. I mean, same clinic, right? So, same story. So, let's hope for the best. If they can do my surgery like his, pretty sick. I have the same guy doing my treatment, which is really a blessing, super nice. And hands are soft. It's like putting in lots of care in his treatment, lots of effort. Like he's awesome actually. And he's a nice guy, like genuinely a nice guy, not just work-wise. So it's really good. When I saw him, I was like relieved. By the way, during the laser, it's pretty chill. You don't really feel that much. And you can use your phone, you can do whatever you want, pretty much. So, and the cool thing, they let you have your friends here when it's a medical treatment. Last time I had someone here, this time no one. But I mean, if you feel like alone or a little bit nervous, you can bring your friends. So it's like a chill. During the first video you guys saw, I was just talking shit pretty much the whole time. So it was cool. So as always, this will be a 15-minute session. 5 yellow light, I think 5 orange and 5 red. They didn't close the door properly today like last time, so it's not full disco, but it's a disco. Oh, light change. Yo, I need my wife to come for this shit.
Yeah.
plasma?
No. Normally 3 enough, sir. Normally absorbing 3 is 3 ml. Oh, yeah. That's why I told some areas you have.
Oh, that one is sensitive.
Okay. No, it's okay.
Yeah. Hey guys, fuck my big hit. This was my second session. Little bit more painful, but not bad at all. Especially compared to the other clinic I've been to before. Super painful. Here it's quite nice. Bruising it's not as bad, and they don't use the chemical cream, so everything seems just a little bit better. And that guy I saw gave me some hope. He looks decent, but the guy who did my PRP said, don't worry about his hair, it's all gonna fall out because the transplant has a shedding phase. Anyhow, boys, that's session number 2. I'll see you all in the next one for session number 3. And as always, these nuts.